we'll guide you through how to compare Dropbox versus iCloud. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop and log in, or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice Dropbox offers a clean interface with easy navigation. You can upload files by dragging them into your browser window or by clicking the Upload Files button. Dropbox is known for its file sharing capabilities, so check out the Share button next to your files, which allows you to generate a link or invite people directly to collaborate. Now, open the iCloud website and sign in with your Apple ID. iCloud integrates seamlessly with Apple devices, making it a preferred choice for Apple users. In iCloud, you can access apps like Photos, Mail, Contacts, and the iCloud Drive for file storage. For file sharing, you'll use the Share button similar to Dropbox, but iCloud's strength lies in its ability to sync smoothly across all your Apple devices, keeping everything updated in real time. Both services offer file versioning, meaning you can retrieve previous versions of documents if needed. When comparing storage plans, Dropbox tends to offer more storage space and flexibility at a higher price point, while iCloud provides more affordable plans closely tied to your Apple ecosystem. Consider what matters most to you. If cross-platform compatibility and collaborative features are key, Dropbox might be your pick. But if you live in the Apple ecosystem and prioritize seamless integration, iCloud could be more suitable. Remember, both services offer free trials, so take advantage of those to test which fits your needs better. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.